Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix can't load preloader underscore I.dll error. The specified model could not be found. In this video, seeing before you are begin, like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. We can fix by using these 3 steps to solve, and in these steps one by one follow to this problem solved. Let's go ahead. That first step, Microsoft Visual C++ update. This link provided in this comment section, then click to update. So we go to that browser, then type window Microsoft Visual C++. Just click it to search the Microsoft Visual C++. Just scroll down, click on this website and scroll down. You can see, you can click on this link, click to download that software. After that, update the latest version Microsoft Visual C++. Once it done, then close it, then come to back, then go to that start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. Then still does not working, then go to the next step, disable Windows security. So we need Windows search bar and type Windows security. We will click to open, then click on the virus and threat protection, then you will open protection history. It will be if it will be available preloader _i.dll file, just right click to remove here. Then sometimes it will not have, then just come to back, just go to that virus and that protection, click on it, then scroll down. You can click on the manage settings. Here, if this real time protection is turn it on, simply temporarily turn it off. After that, come to back, then go to the start menu again, then click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. Then again relaunch the game and check it, then it will have solved this problem. Sometimes does not working, then go to the next step, Windows update. So we need Windows search bar and type settings, then you can click on the Windows update. If you an available update, just download to update the latest version your Windows level. Once it will update done, then come to back, then go to that start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart to restart your system. After that, definitely it will have solved this problem. And don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, go to that comment section and leave the comment. I will definitely reply to you. Thanks for watching.